Hello again, this is Steve Martin and I want you to walk with me. We are going to the beach. In case you've never been to the beach, I'll show you. We are on the Isle of Palms, just east of Charleston, South Carolina. It's early morning, about 10 o'clock. And already these vacationers are out here. Personally, I'm not a beach lover. I prefer the mountains. But there are plenty of people who are. Here comes a little one. I enjoy watching the pelicans. Usually they'll fly parallel to the beach in groups of 2 or 3 or more. I'm trying to be quiet so we don't wake the turtles or the sharks. I do have my sandals on, though it wasn't the intent to come out here. But as the word says, be ready in season and out. Wow, it's not even 10 o'clock yet. And the beach is full. I wonder if you rent these chairs. Looks like you do. Umbrellas. Somebody camped out here, it looks like. It looks straight out. You can see a ship. Got to zoom in on it. So it's carrying containers. You can hear the wind. A little breezy out here today. Don't believe there's any hurricanes forecast. And even the puppies come out. Yay. Alright. There is the Atlantic Ocean. And people are enjoying God's creation. Thank you, Lord. Say shalom.